Professor Dr. Manoj Kumar have written many research papers on the application of the analytical hierarchy process. Analytical hierarchy process is the very good decision tool, and this lecture Professor Dr. Manoj Kumar will deliver on the recent development in the analytical hierarchy process. This paper is published in the European Journal of the Operation Research, volume number 6, number 4, page number 125 to 36. The focus of the presentation will be the celebrating nearly 30 years of the ASP-based decision making. ASP overview, linear programming models for the ASP, computational experiments of the ASP and the conclusions. The ASP founded by the SETI in the 1980, which is the professor at the University of the Petersburg. It is a popular and widely used method for the multi-criteria decision making. Allows the use of the qualitative as well as quantitative criteria in the evaluation. Wide range of the application exists, selecting a car for the purchasing, deciding upon a place to visit for the vacation, deciding upon an MBA program after graduation. The motivation of this paper is in our complex world system, we are forced to cope up with the problem than we have the resources to handle. What we need is not a more complicated way of thinking, but a framework that will enable us to think of the complex problem in a simple way. Complex problem in a simple way. The ASP provides such a framework that enables us to make effective decision on the complex issue by simplifying and expediting our natural decision-making process. Motivation second, humans are not logical creatures. Most of the time we base our judgment on hazy impression of reality, then use logic to defend our conclusion. The HP organizes feeling, institution, and logic in a structured approach to the decision making. Motivation 3, there are two fundamental approaches to solving the problems. The deductive approach and the inductive or the systematic approach. Basically, the deductive approach focuses on the parts, whereas the system approach concentrates on the working of the whole. The HP combines these two approaches into one integrated and the logical framework. These are the motivations of our research, and the number of the ASP papers in the European Journal of the Operation Research last 20 years is shown here, the number of the research paper. Every year you find that the numerous research papers have been published on the analytical hierarchy process. ASP articles in the press at the EJOR. This is the in press in the EJOR, solving material attribute decision problem with the analytical hierarchy process and co-joint analysis and empirical comparison. Understanding the local ignorance and non-specificity with the DSASP method of the multi-criteria decision making. Phased multi-criteria preference finding. Interval probability in ASP by the interval regression analysis. A fuzzy approach to the derivative probability from the interval pairwise comparison judgment, representing the strength and direction of the pairwise comparisons. And recent issue on the special issue on ASP, computers and operation research, the guest editor are Big Golden and E. Vessel. Articles are celebrating 25 years of the ASP-based decision making. Decision counseling for men considering prostate cancer screening, visualizing group decision in the analytical hierarchy process, using the analytical hierarchy process as a clinical engineering tool to facilitate an iterative multidisciplinary macroeconomic health technology assessment, an approach for the analyzing foreign direct investment project with application of the China's Tuman River Area Development on teaching the analytical hierarchy process. A recent book of the ASP, the strategic decision making applying the analytical hierarchy process. This is in the Springer and the Anbhusan and the Kira. The contents of the book are given here. Strategic decision making of the HP, strategic decision making in the business, strategic decision making in the defense and the governance. The 12 decision making process is given here in the case of the book, and AHP and the related software are the expert choice foreman, EC resource aligner combines optimization and the AHP to select the optimal combination of the alternatives or projects subject to budgetary constant. Criterium decision rule, Herne scientific software. HiRe 3, system analysis levity Helsinki. Wave Hypre, the first wave-based multi-attribute decision analysis tool. Super decision, that is the SETI. This software implements the analytical network process, decision making with the dependence and the feedback. Super decision. And these are the application areas of the AHP which have been shown by the year-wise reference number, and the application area is given here. Other tools that have been used have been shown here. These are the many application areas of the AHP by the year. This is the shown here how the AHP is popular in application, and the AHP can be widely used in the different area of the decision making. HPN overview, analysis tool that provides insight into the complex problem by incorporating qualitative and quantitative decision criteria. Hundreds of the published applications in numerous different areas, combined with the traditional OR technique to form powerful hybrid decision support tools. 4-step process are there. Step 1, decompose the problem into the hierarchy of the interrelated decision criteria and the alternatives. Objectives are the criterion 1, criterion 2, criterion K. Level 1, level 2, level 3, and level P. Subcriterion, subcriterion 2, subcriterion L. Alternative 1, alternative 2, and alternative L. An illustrative example is given here. Best fishery management policy will be what? Then the level 2 criteria is the scientific, economic, and political. Level 3 criteria is the statewide, local, and level 4 criteria are the closed, restricted access, and the open access. These are the management of a fishery policy. This is the partial hierarchy. The analytical hierarchy step 2, use the collected data to generate pair comparison at the each level of the hierarchy. ASC will be here, political will be here, AEP will be there, and here the pair-wise comparison will be of the second level is there. Compare the elements 2 at a time. Generate ASC entry with respect to the our goal, which is more important, the scientific or economic factor, and how much more important is number 1 to 9, positive reciprocal matrix. The analytical hierarchy process, apply the eigenvalue method to estimate the weights of the elements at each level of the hierarchy. The weights for each matrix C estimated by the solving A W delta max W. A is the pairwise comparison matrix. Delta max is the largest eigenvalue of A. W is the right eigenvector. Illustrative examples are given here: scientific, economic, and political. Scientific, economic, and political. 1, 2, 5, 2. 1, 1, 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 5, 1 by 2. They are the weights are there. These are the weights are there of the second level. And this is the step 4. Aggregate the relative weights overall to which they arrive at the overall weight of the alternatives. Find the overall weight, then the which alternative will be selected. There, here is the, this is the closed alternative will be selected, having the maximum weight. The estimating weights in the AHP, how the weights can be estimated in the AHP. There are the different methods are there. Traditional method, solve for the W in AW delta max W program. Alternative approach is there. Logarithmic least square or LS, take the geometric mean of each row and then normalize. Linear programming approach, Chandran, Golden, and Vasi said, let W by Wj, Aij, Wj define an error Wj is the estimate. If the decision maker is perfectly consistent, then epsilon ij equal to 1, epsilon ij equal to 0. We develop a two-stage linear programming approach. And we have developed a two-stage linear programming approach here. Linear programming setup 1, give aij equal to 1, decision variables is there, transform decision variable is this one, zij is equal to wij, then the sum observation there, take the natural log and to obtain this value. If aij is overestimated, then aij is underestimated. J identify the element that is overestimated and the magnitude of the overestimation is given there. We can arbitrarily set W1 equal to 1, X1 equal to LW1 equal to 0 and normalize the weights later. First stage linear program, Zij minimize inconsistency, subject to Xj, Xi, Xj, Yj in Lij error term definition. This is the degree of overestimation. Zij, Yj, Zj, Ij, X1, Xij, X0, element dominance, not row dominance are given there. Element and row dominance constants are expressed as follows. Ed is preserved if Aij is less than 1, imply Wi less than Wj. Em and Ls don't represent Ed. Rd is preserved and Ajk less than equal to Ajk for all k and Ajk less than all jk for some k, imply Wi less than j. We capture these constants explicitly in the first stage linear programming problem. The objective function minimizes the sum of the logarithm of the positive errors in natural log space. In the non-transformed space, the OF minimizes the product of the overestimated errors. Therefore, the OF minimizes the geometric mean of the all errors less than equal to 1. In a perfectly consistent compression matrix, Z equal to 0, since epsilon jij equal to 1, Yij equal to 0 for all I and j. The consistency index, the objective function, is a measure of the inconsistency in the pairwise compression matrix. The OF minimizes the sum of n minus 1 into 2 decision variables. The OF provides a consistent index Cy equal to L 2j j n minus 1. CILP is average value of Zij element f of the diagonal in the compression matrix. Multiple optimal solution. The first step LP minimizes the product error epsilon ij, but multiple solution may exist. In the second stage of the linear programming, we select from the set of the alternative optima the solution of the that minimizes the minima of the ij. The second step LP programming is presented here. Minimize Z max subject to this one, and all the first stage of the LP constant, Zg is the optimal first solution where Z max is the maximum value of the errors Zj. Then the figure 1 is the 3 into 3 pairwise compression matrix, illustrating with some of the constant error, some definition constant A12, Xi2, Ln Y2. This one eliminate dominance constant A1, A2, A3. This is the constant. Row dominance constant is this one. This is the advantages of the ASP. The ASP enables people to refine their definition of the problem and to improve their judgment and understanding through repetition. The ASP does not insist on the consensus, but synthesizes a representative outcome from the diverse judgment. The ASP provides a single, easily understandable, flexible model for a wide range of the unstructured problem. The ASP integrates deductive and system approach in solving the complex problem. The ASP can deal with the interdependence of elements in a system and does not insist on the linear thinking. The ASP reflects the natural tendency of the mindset to sort elements of the system into different levels and group elements in each level. The ASP provides a scale for measuring intangibles and the method for establishing priority. The ASP tackles the logic consistency of the judgment used in determining priority. The ASP leads to an overall estimate of the DRT of each alternative. Another advantage of the ASP approach are the simplicity, easy to understand, computationally fast, readily available software, easy to measure inconsistency. Sensitive analysis can be done. Which agent enter should be a change to the reduced inconsistency? How much should be the entry to be changed? Most advantage of the linear programming approach are their ensures element dominance and the row dominance, limited protection against the rank reversal, interval judgment, mixed pairwise comparison matrix, group decision, soft interval judgments are there. Modeling interval judgments. In traditional ASP, AIG is a single number that estimates Wi by Wj. Alternatively, suppose an interval Lij, Uij is specified. Let us treat the interval bounds as hard constants. Two techniques to handle the interval judgment have been presented by the Arbel and Vargas. Perform simulation performance programming. Performance simulation. Sample from each interval to obtain a single Aij value for each matrix entry. Repeat this t times to obtain t pairwise comparison matrix. Apply the EM approach to each matrix to produce t priority vectors. The average of the feasibility priority vectors gives the final set of the weights. Performance preference simulation drawbacks. This approach can be extremely insufficient when most of the priority vectors are infeasible. This can be happen as a consequence of the several tight interval judgment. How large should T be? Next, we discuss preference programming. The preference programming. It begins with the linear inequality and equation to be given there. This is the Lij, Uij, Wi1, W equal to 0. LP used to identify the vertices of the feasible region. The arithmetic mean of these vertices becomes the final priority vector. No attempt is made to find the best vector in the feasible region. More on the interval ASP programming. 3 into 3 pairwise comparison matrix and the lower upper bounds for each entry. Entry A12 is a number between 5 and 7. The matrix is the reciprocal. Entry A21 is a number between 1 by 7 and 1 by 5. The first stage LP can be revised to handle the interval ASP problem. A new LP approach for the interval judgment. Set Aij to the geometric mean of the interval bounds. This preserves the reciprocal property of the matrix. If you take natural logarithm Lij as Uj, we obtain this. Further notes, when Lij is equal to 1, this will be lead to and behaves like an element dominance constant. When Uij is 1, behaves like an element dominance constant. Next, we formulate the first stage model for handling the interval judgment. This is the first stage linear programming interval ASP problem. This is the minimize and subject to this one. Error and the definition, degree of overestimation, lower bound constant, upper bound constant. Mixed pairwise comparison matrices. This is the 3 into 3 matrix pairwise comparison. Suppose as we have some entry are single numbers Aij and the some entries are the intervals. Our LP approach can easily handle this matrix problem. The first stage LP is nearly the same for the interval HP. We add element domains constant as needed. Modeling group decision. Suppose there are n decision makers. Most common approach have each decision maker K fill in a comparison matrix independency of the Aijk. Combine the individual judgment using the geometric mean, produce Aij, where EM is applied to the obtain the preemptive vector. Modeling group decision making using the ALP. An alternative direction is to apply the linear programming approach to a mixed pairwise comparison matrix. We compute the interval bonus as a below for I equal to less than j. Lj, this is the minimum, and this is the lower bound, this is the upper bound. If we use a simple number rather than an interval. If n is the large, we can eliminate the high and low values and the compute interval bounds for a single number from the remaining n and 2 values. Soft interval judgment. Suppose we have interval constant, but they are too tight to admit a feasible solution. We may be interested in finding the closest to feasible solution that minimizes the first stage and the second stage linear programming objective function. Imagine that we multiply the each upper bound by a stage factor lambda ij. less than 1, and that multiply each lower bound by the inverse 1 lambda e by j. The geometric mean given by the this one remains the same as before. Set up for the phase 0 LP. Let gi this one, which is a non-negative, since we can now solve a phase 0 LP problem followed by the first stage and the second stage linear programming problem. The phase 0 objective is to minimize the product of the stage factor for the sum of the natural log of the stage factor. If the sum is 0, the original problem was feasible. If not, the first and the second stage linear programming each include a constant that minimally stretches the interval in order to ensure feasibility. Stretched upper bound constant start with this one. Take natural logs 2 of 10 xij minus xj. This is the value. This is the value. Stage lower bound constant are generated in the same way. The phase 0 LP minimize. This is the minimize the stress and the stretch lower bound and upper bound constant. Degree of the overestimation is there. Set 1 Wi is there. And on a stage is there. 2 key points. We have shown that our LP approach can handle a wide variety of the HP problem. And traditional ASP interval judgment is there. Mixed pairwise comparison matrix is there. Group decision is there. And the soft interval judgment is also provided there. As far as we know the single approach can handle all of the above variants. Computational experiment of the inconsistency there. We see that the element 4 is less than important than the element 6. We expect to see W4 less than W6. Upon the closure examination, we see that the A46, A67 is equal to 1 by 2. We expect to see W4, W6 and W7. The impact of the element dominance, priority vectors of the matrix. This is the weight of given there, and this is the EM is given there. This is the element dominance is given there. This is the row dominance is given there. This is the second stage LP model, ED and RD. And another example of the element dominance is given there. The decision maker has specified W2 is less than W3. EM and LS violate the ED constant. As with matrix 1, the weight from the EM, LS and LP are very similar. Computational result of the matrix. The weight is given there. EM is given there. LLS is given there. Second stage LP model is given there. This is the computational result of the matrix 2. Computational experiment, interval ASP. Priority vector matrix. Weight is given there. Preference simulation is given there. Preference programming is given there. Second stage LP model is given there. Computational experiment with a mixed pair comparison matrix. We converted every interval entry into a second single Aij entry by taking the geometric mean of the lower bound and the upper bound. We applied EM to the resulting comparison matrix. We compared the EM and the LP results. Computational result for the matrix 4. Weight is given there, EM is given there, second stage LP model is given there. We point out that the weights generated by the EM violate one of the 4 interval constant. That interval is the violated here. Group ASP experiment, 4 graduate students were given 5 geometric figures from graphs. They were asked to compare by usual inspection the area of the figure I to the area of the figure J. Lower and upper bounds were determined as well as the geometric means are determined. Since L34, U3 equal to 0, we use a single number of A3. Otherwise, the interval constant is there. Geometric experiment results. This is given on the table 5. The 3 priority vectors and the actual geometric areas are presented above. They are the remarkable similarly. Computational experiment with the software interval. Matrix 5 is given there. We observe that the several intervals are quite narrow. We apply phase 0 and 2 stage LP program approach. Soft interval matrix 5 result, the optimal stage factors are this one. The interval stage factors are this one. The optimal weights are given there. The conclusion, we have presented a compact LP approach for estimating priority factors in the ASP. For estimating the priority factors in the ASP. In general, the weights generated by EM, LSP, and our LP approach are similar. The LM approach has several advantages over the EM and LSP. LPs are easy to understand. Sensitivity analysis can be done. Our measures of inconsistency intensely applying our ED and RD condition. Our approach is the more general. The LP approach can handle a wide variety of the ASP problem. Traditional ASP, interval entries, mixed entry, soft interval, group ASP problem. We hope to explore the extension and the new application of this approach in the future. Thank you for your patience. And this is the duty and responsibility